I want to welcome you guys to the P2S webinar. I am unbelievably excited to be here. I'm about to show you a concept unlike anything you have ever seen in the travel space before. This is a radical new concept, one that's going to blow you away. And so I kind of want to jump right into this. And I'd like to begin with our core question, which is if you had all the time and all the money in the world, what would you do? And if you went out and asked 100 people that question, you'd find out that 99 of them would say travel. So what holds people back? How come people aren't traveling more? And the answer is, well, I simply can't afford it. And so we're going to show you how to travel for pennies on the dollar. I'm talking about being able to go to some of the nicest resorts in the world for $2.71 US per night. I kid you not. I'm talking $19 for 7 nights, 8 days. And this is being brought to you by P2S Travel, a company that was started by world-class entrepreneurs, Dave and Adela Hart. In fact, Mr. Hart was a finalist for Entrepreneur of the Year, Inc. magazine, when he was only 24 years of age. And so he's been setting records in business his entire life. Started P2S back in 2013, a debt-free company. It's a global opportunity. And when Mr. Hart wanted to solve the problem of travel, he realized if I'm going to make travel affordable and attainable for everybody, not just the affluent, number one, I'm going to have to be able to write a very large check. And you got to go out and buy up inventory from around the world in advance. And when you do that, you get the inventory for a fraction of the normal price. Well, next, he wanted to put together a travel club, one that could show anybody, anywhere, on any budget, how to have not just one, but 2 dream vacations every single year. And so you get one every 6 months, over 2,000 plus locations. And the way the club works is that every dollar you spend is going to earn you $2 in travel points. Now, understand that every travel point's worth $1. And so every dollar I spend is going to get me $2 in actual travel inside the Dreamcation portal. I mean, it's like doubling your money. I mean, don't you wish your local bank would do that? And so if you put $100 in, they're going to double it. You have $200 inside your Dreamcation portal. If I put $400 in, I got $800. And so 6 months from now, you say, hey, I want to take a vacation. So you go to our Dreamcation portal, and suddenly you look at all these points that have been doubling month after month after month. You find some kind of resort you want to go to. The normal price, let's say, is $1,199. And then you take all of your points and you apply it toward that, and then you just pay the difference. And so in this case, it was $1,199. You applied 1,180 points, and you were able to go there for $19. I mean, that's just $2.71 per night. By the way, you can get a 1-bedroom. They start at $39 after applying all your platinum points. You can get a 2-bedroom. They start at $59 after applying your platinum points. And what I want to do right now is just kind of take you a walk through some of the kind of properties we're talking about and give you a feel for what life could be like just 6 months from now. And so here's an incredible resort in England. You can tell it's a first-class place. You've got a 1-bedroom unit here with a full kitchen, dining room, flat screen TV. It has outdoor pools, indoor pools, just incredible facility. Again, it sleeps 4 people, 7 nights, 8 days, $39 after redeeming your platinum points. And maybe you'd rather go to Turkey. Here's another just absolutely amazing facility. Again, you got a separate bedroom. You got a living room with a kitchen, a table, all that kind of stuff. You could be at this property 7 nights, 8 days for $39. That's just $5.57 per night. Maybe you'd rather go to the Philippines. I mean, just breathtaking views. This is a picture of the actual resort here on the screen. It's right on the beach. So you absolutely amazing property. You can be here 7 nights, 8 days for $19. Again, $271 a night. Hey, maybe you'd rather go to Spain. Another just incredible property right on the ocean. Again, you got the king size bed, full kitchen, living room. Again, you're here 7 nights, 8 days for $39. Again, just $557 a night. And we can do this all over the world. We can do it in Australia. This is a picture of the actual property in Australia, $271 a night. Here's Orlando, Florida. Want to be there at the heart of Disney. Maybe you'd rather go to Egypt, be in the heart of Cairo, right on the Nile River, see the pyramids of Egypt, the Bahamas. Maybe you'd rather go to Fiji. You can go to Mexico, the Canary Islands, China. You can go to Portugal. Maybe you'd rather go to Las Vegas, Nevada. You can go play in the mountains in Colorado. Again, 2,000 plus properties, more every day. And this is just the beginning of how we can save you money. We can save you on hotels, cruises, activities, rental cars. And when you join our club, you're actually going to get a free vacation while supplies last, right out of the gate. And so there's 4 different locations you get to choose from. It's one vacation, and you can either go to Spain, Thailand, or Bali. Now, I had a buddy that just got back from Phuket. And if you look at the third picture from the left, that is a picture of the place he stayed at. I had a private swimming pool, downstairs, upstairs, full kitchen, full living room, king-size bed, balcony overlooking the mountains, right? And so you get that free vacation. You can book it today if you join our travel club today. And then finally, one more comment. Some of you might be looking for an opportunity to make some extra money. We want to invite you to partner with us. We are a global company, and there's just no better way to make some extra money than in the single largest industry in the world. The number one dream most people have is travel. The number one thing people are looking for on the internet is travel. And there's just no better way to make money than showing others how to make their dreams come true for pennies on the dollar. And it was Warren Buffett, the third richest man in the entire world, who said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until the day you die. And so, hey, we invite you to check out our travel club. We invite you to check out our opportunity. Get back with whoever invited you to be here, get your questions answered, and start living the life you've always dreamed of starting today. Thanks for being with us, and God bless.